In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions, add-ons, in Google Sheets. Extensions are small tools that plug right into your spreadsheet to help you automate tasks, import data, clean up formatting, build reports, and so much more. We'll walk through how to find them, install them safely, and open them so you can start working faster with confidence. With your spreadsheet open, head to the menu bar at the top and click Extensions. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially an app store built for Google tools. You can browse by category or use the search box to look up a specific function you need, like mail merge, data cleanup, analytics, or project templates. Each listing includes an overview, screenshots, and reviews, which are helpful to understand what the add-on does and how well it works for others. Take a moment to scan the description so you know exactly what the tool offers before you install it. When you found the tool you want, click Install. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account and grant permissions. These permissions let the add-on interact with your spreadsheet, so review them carefully to make sure they match the add-on's purpose. If everything looks right, click Allow. The installation usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's done, the extension is connected to your spreadsheet and ready to go. If you're using a work or school account, note that your administrator may limit which add-ons you can install, so you might need approval in some cases. To use your new extension, go back up to the Extensions menu. You'll see your tool listed there. Click it to open its sidebar or menu. Many add-ons open a panel on the right side of your screen with buttons, settings, and helpful prompts. Others may add a custom submenu under Extensions. Follow the on-screen instructions, select any data ranges the tool requests, and start applying the features it provides. If the add-on asks for authorization the first time you run it, that's normal. Grant the access it needs and continue. If you don't see your new add-on immediately, try refreshing the tab and checking the Extensions menu again. From here on out, you can return to Extensions anytime to launch your tools and streamline your workflow. And that's all it takes to add extensions in Google Sheets. Simple, secure, and a big boost to your productivity.